is Eram Golashit and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing you some healthy tips for making healthy skincare routine. And these steps will be very helpful and beneficial while making your skincare routine and for your health also and for your skin also. And of course, if your health will be good, you will feel healthy and you will be fit and fine. And then of course you will look natural and you will glow naturally, and it will reflect directly on your skin. It will stay healthy internally. So very important to take care of these steps, and these are the very basic steps, and do follow these steps. So let's get started. So the number one is healthy and nutritious food, like have chapati, dal, green vegetables, fruits, salads in your every meal. And always take oil-free food and vitamins and minerals-rich food, which helps in taking care of your stomach and even your health also, so that your skin will glow natural. With the consumption of vitamins and minerals in your body, you will automatically absorb those required ingredient or essential ingredient, and helps in keeping your skin firm and glow, make your skin look natural and healthy. Coming to the second one, always hydrate your body. Drink at least 8 to 9 glasses per day, which is around 2 liters a day. And many people used to avoid these things, and बहुत सारे लोग जो होते हैं जानने के बावजूद इस चीज़ को follow नहीं कर पाते हैं. But let me tell you guys that these are the very important steps, and water according to your requirement of your body and the required amount daily, the required and correct quantity is very important. If you will hydrate your body, then obviously it will help in absorbing and digesting your food along with the hydration of your skin. If you will hydrate your body, then it will directly reflect on your skin. Means obviously we all know that our skin require the hydration, and if we will hydrate our body, we will not need any kind of serum or sheet mask or any kind of hydration product for our skin, and our skin will glow naturally and hydrated. Now coming to the third one, try to avoid the beverages. Means we girls usually used to have a lot of coffee and tea and cold drinks on a daily basis, and we generally love to have that, you know. Girls, it's very important to stay away from all of the beverages, except you can have the green tea and the cinnamon, because these both are having antioxidant properties and it will remove the toxicity from your body. And coming to the juices, then yeah, juices are very important for your skin and for your health, just like the vegetable juices, the lemon juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, watermelon juice. These all are very nutritious and full of vitamins and minerals. But yeah, one more thing I want to say here, intaking juice is very important, is very good for your skin. Yeah, that's okay, that's fine, you can have. But eating the whole fruit with the whole pulp is very beneficial and very important for your body and for your, especially for your stomach, because those outer skin of the fruits are having the fibers, and fibers are very important for your digestive system and also for your stomach. And if your stomach will be well, if your stomach condition will be well, then of course it will directly reflect on your skin. Your skin will be naturally perfect. That means you will find the freshness on your skin, you will find the firmness on your skin, and also you will not face any acne on your skin, because the stomach condition is totally connected to your skin. And coming to the fourth one, take exercise daily. Not too much, but I know girls usually don't like to do exercise, even me also, but at least do a little bit of exercise on a daily basis. Means it's very necessary to sweat daily. So just add a little bit of exercise or workout in your daily routine, just like meditation, some stretching, walking, jogging. If you will sweat daily, then of course the toxicity from your skin and also from your body will come out. Your skin will never ever face acne naturally. And now coming to the fifth one, think always positive. Means for your skin and for your body and for your mind also, you will have to take care of yourself. Think positive, stay stress-free, stay tension-free. Means for your healthy skin, for your healthy body, for your healthy mind, you will have to stay away from every kind of tension. Even if everyone is happy, then also there is a little bit of tension in everyone's life. So इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ. तो उसी हिसाब से बैलेंस करके आपको चलना होगा. यू विल टेक टेंशन, यू विल take stress, of course your skin will lose the firmness, and the collagen will not get boost. Eye bags will also get appear, and your dark circles will also be there, and of course somehow the acne will also come. So for that you'll have to be stress free, tension free. And I know you might be thinking that how it will be happen. Then of course always think positive, don't do overthinking, and do meditation to feel fresh, to feel calm, to feel relaxed, and also to forget all of the tensions and stress. Now coming to the sixth one, stay away from all of those unnecessary chemicals like skincare products, vitamin or chemical exfoliant you don't need, your skin don't need. Then why there is need of that product? Just stay away from that product, just stay away from that chemical. You don't need that. You're only 25 and you don't need the retinoid, and you don't need the vitamin C also. Means yeah, that repairs the skin also, but the main function of vitamin C is to prevent the premature aging. So at the age of 25 you don't need vitamin C. Means after 2 to 3 years you can start that, but at the age of 25 why need to use retinoid or vitamin C or something like this kind of chemical? Like if you're not facing any acne, then you don't need to use any chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, some rosehip based product. So I don't think, and this is totally waste of money. And the last one, the last step is never touch your acne, never think about your acne. If you are facing any acne, then don't need to see about that. If you will see that acne, then of course you will think about, then you will take tension, you will do stress, a lot of stress. But seriously, you don't need to do this. It will only and only keep increasing. So just stop using all of those products, whatever you're using, that don't suit your skin. But if something suits your skin, if something is good for your acne, if you find that it is the best for your acne, for treating your acne, then go for it. So I hope this video will be beneficial for you girls and women and the men also. And please do share, and do tell me in the comments below that how much you liked it and from when you're going to follow. And if you're already following these steps, then also please do comment. So thank you so much for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.